Hi guys, so it's that time of a year where Trimble has released another update to its Trimble Business Center suite. So hit your check for updates to see the new Trimble Business Center new release 2024. So we're gonna click on that and see if we can get some release notes and some readme note. So hold on, there we go. So as usual, the Trimble geospatial web page will open, and we as usual, I like the offline download because I just need to download it once and then I can distribute in between my computers. So I'm just gonna put it down into my Trimble software folder, and as usual, so there we have a construction TBC product page, and so nothing that I see any release notes. So let's go and try this. While we're downloading, the file is quite large, 8 GB file. So here it is, here it is, here it is, here it is. So nothing over here. So we can go back. We can try in the Trimble Business Center if I manage to open this thing. Sometimes we get, if we go to readme, it will open the Trimble geospatial page, and technically we should see the new ones there. So release notes, no release notes so far, only 2023-11. Yeah, recently released PDF works, so nothing there. Let's see if we can find something. Yeah, no, so 2023 on release, so nothing over here or over here. Let's see support notes. So maybe they released it and they don't even know. So we're gonna have to wait until it downloads, and once it downloads, we'll try to install it and see if we can get it that way. However, I can tell you right here that it doesn't look that there are nodes there yet. So I'm gonna cut it off right now and see if I can continue this download, which just crashed, and it's probably because me and my slow internet. So I'll cut it off now, and we'll resume once I have it downloaded. Okay, we are back. I downloaded the 2024 install full setup. Just be aware it's 8.5 gigs, and obviously I took the liberty of unzipping it. So let's see if we can install it. Help Ian. Yeah, no, that's just a help file. I was just wondering if there is a readme or something. So double click the setup. Yes, we wanna install it. Obviously it open on the other side, the typical Trimble installer, and it's about, let's see. So we're gonna click next. I agree. Trimble Business Center, add shortcut. Yeah, that's exactly where we want it. And I'm gonna turn off these two because I don't use them. So oh, it doesn't. Okay, it just tells you that you need about 24.1 gigs on your disk. I got quite a bit of disk space. So let's run it. Okay guys, so we are back. Everything seems to be okay, so let's start this sucker. Hopefully we'll be able to run it. Yeah, unfortunately it's on the other screen, so it says version 2024.00 initializing database. So let's see. So the whole install took less than 10 minutes on this machine, so depending on speed and all the other resources. So yeah, there we go. Business Center is running for the first time. So let's copy the usual, copy selected, and boom. There we go, Trimble Business. I'm already logged in under my TID, and let's go support. Of course, I don't have the key on me, so we'll just play it by ear here, and let's see if these release notes are actually 2024 release notes. Nope. No 2024 release notes. So this is where we went before. So let's go back here and let's see if we can find at least the readme. Nope, that's exactly where we go, the same place. So nothing here. Okay, so there is pretty much no information about what's happening with this release. The only information we have is that it is 2024. Not even here. So I think they might have pushed it up. I believe I have seen something somewhere. Okay, maybe. There we go. We have found the release notes. Don't ask me how or why, but we got here a release notes, Trimble Business Center version 2024, so we can kind of quickly skim through it. Yeah, so your warranty has to be as of May 1, 2024. New features in corridors. So we have the new international roughness index. Then we have simplify analysis, more usable design. Coordinate system, lots of add new coordinate system in the coordinate system database. So Costa Rica, Denmark, Aussie, Romania, Tanzania, Philippines, CSD database version 1.09, and we can import coordinate system parameters in coordinate system manager directly. We have some new things with network adjustment, include subnetworks in a network adjustment. Under GIS we have exchange composite geometry and curves with GIS data source. New selection option when reading feature from GIS data source. Exchange alignments with GIS data source. Exchange data with SQL server service. Saved S3 service connection. Support ArcGIS. Export feature definition as a scheme to a geodatabase. Under CAD we got enhanced color display for BIM objects and create composite geometry. Enables you to combine simple geometric objects such as lines and polygons into single multi-part geometric object used to represent complex spatial features. So I guess this would be like a group thing. Then we have a data exchange, enhanced connected workspace, export track files, and cubic parameters exported with complex pixel data. Photogrammetry, we have aerial image processing enhancement. Streamlined photogrammetry deliverables workflows. Create 3D mesh photogrammetry deliverables. Enhance 3D visualization of aerial imagery. US support. Point clouds, exact gravel features. Okay, so USS, so now we can do Scadio, Wingtra, and Autel. Under point clouds, we have extra gravel features, enhanced classification of aerial point clouds, dynamic cell sizing when filtering point clouds. Under tunnels, we can create vertical shaft tunnels, exact classified tunnel point cloud regions. Mobile mapping, we have a custom control PCI heat maps. Okay, when we're doing like inspections. Export payment conditions attributes to GIS, enhance PCA crack detection, recovery of scans under unexpected interruption of TBC. Generated scans are displayed on demand. IRI calculations from mobile mapping data. Export mobile mapping data to non-proprietary format file. We have some third-party tools. So in ANZ toolbox command, we got merge lines, create biscuit circle, explode lines, slow intersection, offset slope, delete layers, adjust area, attribute error, find and replace text, explode. Port notes, system requirements. So I think there is nothing new right now. Okay, so 8 gig and higher is now standard, right? So those are the release notes. So we finally got to it, and hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see. I guess the only thing what I want to see is that CAD feature there for the combine. So I'm gonna what was it called, the create composite geometry. So I'm gonna test it out, and that's gonna be the next video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next one. Have a good one.